Mfaka Mkhosi ngibingelele baba. Angiqale ngokubonga uHonorable Nomvalo ngokusivezela le discrepancy engaka. Mfaka Mkhosi, owami umbuzo ule emuva ngisele kakhulu. Kunesilungu esithi show me your friends, I'll show you who you are. Ubani umngane wakho between ubaba uMkhwanazi nobaba uSibiya? Or lo beka best friend between the two, ubani beka best friend wakho?
uGeneral Mkhwanazi.
Hey, angeneme kahle mfethu. Ngoba indlela owenza ngayo ngathi umngane kaGeneral Sibiya. Uyabona uvuma lokho, uphike lokho. Ukuphika ukuvume futhi. Lama date lawo mfethu bekumele wena uma ufika la. Ukuqaqisa uthi ngithathelwa amafoni ngicela ukungabhali statement. Uyabona nje ngabe uyangicela ukuthi shongo mfethu ngicela ungiqelele ku chair bangikhulule ngiye ekhaya. La kusesigodlweni kuyashisa mntaka baba. Angeke wacamba manga. So ngicela ukuthi mhlawumbe awubona uchair masiphuma la, yabona. Nicoce mhlawumbe uyele ekhamva kababa uphinde ubuye ngoba ayichangeke. Lento evezo umfoka Nomvalo isiqhaqha yonke lento. Mina ngisasikholwa ke lesi statement sakho mntaka baba. Mhlawumbe awufuna ukuthi uthole linye ithuba lokuthi usibhale futhi.
Mekuza ngendaba zama date ngingakusho la ukuthi ama date angikho certain ngawo ngoba angirefer dawo.
Ngiyakuvuma ke.
Kodwa ngokwezinye izinto and also I take ownership of this statement. I'm not definitely shifting any blame or to evidence leader because the statement was read by me and I signed. So it was an oversight that I could not, and the evidence leader could not pick up, and my legal team could not pick up that how can this one come first? So it was an oversight in the discrepancy of dates because I don't have information with me. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you.
Ukuthi ish uningi ngawe mfethu yazi kuningi impela. Ku paragraph 58. You say you decided to record umbaba uMkhwanazi, right? You decided. Ku paragraph 58 of your statement. The same statement says ubaba uMchunu uyo watshela wena ukuthi urecord. So ngizama ukuthi impendulo zakho ziyafana nezikababa uSibiya nezikababa uMchunu. Zihlukile ke nokuthi ngiveze ukuthi wena umngane kababa uMkhwanazi. Yabo uma ubona ubaba uMkhwanazi izwe liyamthemba. Indoda ethi mihle lapho